Le Salon for us is a chance for a designer-led initiative to identify some relevant topics in the kind of art and design world and talk about them with our friends.
Mass production has enabled us to have a wide variety of products, and it's allowed people from various financial backgrounds and walks of life to have access to such products.
But there's a kind of paradox with this. As we've been given more and more choice, people find it actually limiting and difficult to make those decisions and are overwhelmed by decisions. And they're looking for something that perhaps has a bit more of a human touch and has a bit more of a story to it than it just being churned out by a factory.
The customer always asks, they ask more and more questions about the story of the product. What they're looking is feel something has been made by one person and has a story to the product. Okay, I'm not here to make the promo of all the products. But I think
the products
but yeah, but I will start. So it's like this TV show. Like new and young designer that say, okay, I tell my story of my product and they have this passion and people really react very well to that.
Where do you see the future of product design within kind of mass product design going? What sort of really do you find exciting? Because I read an article about the sort of 3D printing, yes, and to me that seemed incredible.
It's a kind of techno-craft. This is what the terms they use because it's a technology-driven and is combined with science and art together. Every piece is different, every piece is unique. They can produce artwork or they can even produce furniture. And you can also imagine all kinds of input to the machine and then come up with the outcome. For example, you can play music as an input, and when the music changes, the outcome will be a change as well. You can make a chair with a classical music, or making a chair with a jazz music or pop music. I mean, in principle, this is something we can imagine.
I like really a product by like Levi's called Levi's Made and Crafted, and they told him like they can run it as a small company, but with the resource of a big company. And maybe, first of all, this small collection can be really nice and beautiful product, but also it can inform the people in the big company of new way to do, of new design, and bring a lot of knowledge.
As a designer, we're always looking at certain problems. So we are trying to figure out what other people's problem, and we try to bring up a better way or better solutions for them.
Thank you for this inspiring